Hello everybody, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. It's been kind of a weird one. It started off with my birthday weekend, which was really fun. Went hiking and went to a show, and then waited for the Comet on Sunday night. I tried to find it on Saturday night, but I didn't see it. But I saw it on Sunday night, which was great because Monday I sprained my big toe and joint on my left foot. I tripped over my pants. It's very embarrassing. But yeah, always get pants with cuffs is what I've been learning. So I've been hobbling around on crutches all week, trying to figure out how to do things. I can do most things by myself. I've been alone all week, except I can't really make tea by myself, which is really sad because I love tea. But I wanted to show what I got for my birthday. So my brother-in-law got me this really pretty blue opal necklace at the fall fair that we went to the weekend before. It's got these leaves, and yeah, blue opal right there. Opal is my birthstone, so I've been looking for more opal things, and he knew that. So that was very lovely. And my dad gave me this sweatshirt that says bookish on it, which looks really cozy. I haven't put it on yet because it's so warm still. It's really too warm for October, which is scary. I also got a neck warmer from my mom, which is really nice. It's smart wool, which is really good. It gets really cold here in New Hampshire. So I'm prepared now. And my dad also got me The Last Kingdom TV show on DVD, which is one of my favorite shows. I like having DVDs because we don't always have power, and so I can still watch a DVD on my laptop if it has battery. But yeah, I like having the physical thing. If I like it enough, I like having the DVD. DVD because Blu-ray does not play on my laptop, which is really annoying. But yeah, The Last Kingdom is about Uhtred, who used to work for King Alfred, and yeah, it gets kind of crazy. But it's a book series first by Bernard Cornwell, who's a really good historical fiction writer, and this series actually inspired Game of Thrones. So if you want Game of Thrones without the zombies and dragons and stuff, you would like this one more. I can't really do Game of Thrones, but I like this one for some odd reason. But yeah, just the characters are so good, and it's so well written, and the TV show follows the books really well, so I highly recommend The Last Kingdom. My neighbor got me some sweatpants with cuffs on them, and she also got me some joggers with cuffs as well, so I won't trip again. My toe got caught in the right pant leg and bent sideways, and yeah, I haven't sprained anything since I was a kid, so I forgot how much that hurts. I've also been reading The Familiar. Obviously, I got really interrupted by my foot. So I haven't finished it yet, but I'm very close. I'm like right at the end, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be a 5-star book for me. I really enjoyed it. The magic was really cool, and magical tournament in it, which is really cool. I feel like this book is what the Night Circus should have been like. Yeah, I like the Night Circus until the very end. The ending really bugged me. I don't want to give anything away, but if you know, you know. So I have a feeling this is a 5-star book for me. The writing is just so good, and the characters are great, and it's very convincing because it's historical fiction. It's when the Spanish Inquisition was, so yeah, she's trying to win this tournament so she can work for the king, but also stay away from the Spanish Inquisition. So it's very intense, but I really enjoyed it, and yeah, I was hoping to finish it for this video, but that did not happen, as always. But yeah, it's pretty chunky. It's over 300 pages, so, but yeah, I'm glad I have this book to keep me company, and I have a lot of other good books to get through while I'm laid up. So yeah, I don't know what next week is gonna look like. Hopefully I'll be better. But yeah, I have to wear this big shoe for a while until it stops hurting. So yeah, the crutches have been making me really sore, but I've gotten good at them again. I had to have crutches for when I had 2 knee surgeries back when I was in high school, and so I kept them. Never get rid of your crutches. It's a lesson I've learned this week. And they're already my height, so that was great. That was my week, so hopefully next week will be better and I don't have to hobble so much. Tomorrow I'm taking a jewelry class in the morning, at least that I can do sitting down. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I've never done a jewelry class before, so yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.